Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute card with the Ringed with Nature bundle. Here's this cute little Ringed with Nature card. Pretty simple and fun to create. This is the Ringed with Nature bundle, and it's cool because it's a hybrid. So you get dies and this embossing folder that you can use to place these dies in, and it'll emboss and cut at the same time. So super, super cool. So for this card, I just started with a piece of 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it in half. And then I removed 1.25 from this side. So I cut off 1.25. And for the inside, I just have a piece of 4 by 5.25. And then I cut a 1.5 by 5.25 strip to go on the side. For the front, I have this pretty piece of the Rings of Love Designer Series paper that you can earn for free when you place a $50 order. And it's the other side of the same paper that I used on the inside, so they coordinate very well together. And then the next piece I got from cutting the tree rings out of the Designer Series paper with the dies. This die right here you can just use to line up, and then it'll cut out all those tree rings for you, which is very, very cool when it coordinates with the paper. I've also added 2 pieces of this fun white frayed ribbon. So you can add the ribbon on first by just adding a little bit of adhesive where you want to put it. And then I'm going to place this on dimensionals just on the left side here. And then I'm going to add these super cute little mushrooms to the tree ring. So all the mushrooms are going to be on mini dimensionals, and the bottoms I will glue down. And then the last step that I'm gonna do is super fun. I'm gonna add some of these pearlized enamel, and I'm just going to create these little dots on the mushroom, and then I will let them dry, and they will be pretty and shimmery and raised after they dry. And so that is my Ringed with Nature card. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial using the Ringed with Nature bundle and the Rings of Love Designer Series paper. Go ahead and go check them out, and if you order the bundle or place a $50 order, you can earn the paper for free. If you enjoyed this video, I would sure appreciate it if you would like and comment on the video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.